Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Big Forest Cookie Factory. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. Deep within the big forest, where ancient trees whispered tales of bygone days, a delightful haven known as the Big Forest Cookie Factory thrived. At its helm was Kyle, a bear with an uncanny knack for crafting mouth-watering treats that captivated the entire woodland. Kyle, with a coat of rich brown fur that seemed to carry the sweet scent of cookies, had turned his factory into a renowned paradise of pastry. From chocolate chip wonders to honey-infused delights, his creations were the talk of the forest. One sunny morning, news of a grand cookie-making competition echoed through the trees. Excitement buzzed in the air, and Kyle couldn't resist the allure. He decided to showcase his culinary prowess and share the delectable taste of his cookies with the entire forest. As the competition neared, Kyle experimented with new recipes, infusing his cookies with flavors that mirrored the big forest's diversity. From berry-filled surprises to nutty delights, each batch told a tale of the forest it came from. On the day of the competition, the clearing was transformed into a cookie wonderland. Tables were adorned with various creations, from meticulous displays to whimsically imperfect delights. Kyle's booth, however, stood out for the aroma and the creative forest landscape he had crafted. Trees made of gingerbread and edible flowers adorned Kyle's booth, showcasing the spirit of the big forest. Judges, a wise old owl and a sprightly squirrel, sampled each entry. The fate of the Big Forest Cookie Factory seemed to hang in the balance. With crumbs of various cookies on their beaks, the judges stepped forward. In recognition of creativity, flavor, and the spirit of the Big Forest, we declare Kyle and the Big Forest Cookie Factory the winners, announced the owl. A cheer erupted, and Kyle's victory became a celebration of cookies, camaraderie, and the enchanting spirit of the big forest. From that day forward, the Big Forest Cookie Factory became a symbol of unity and the delectable diversity thriving within the heart of the forest. In the heart of the big forest, where sunlight danced through the leaves and the scent of cookies lingered, Kyle continued his legacy of spreading joy, one delicious cookie at a time.